Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update firmware on your SONY ZV-E10 Mark II. To update firmware, you're gonna need an external SD card that is supported with your camera. So if you don't have an SD card inserted into your camera, you're gonna need to insert one and then format it. We have a separate video on how to format an SD card in your camera. But generally speaking, once your camera supports your SD card and you can see it in the recording menu of your camera, you can eject it and then you're gonna have to insert it into your computer somehow. I'm gonna be using the USB adapter like this one that supports SD cards. So I'm just gonna insert my SD card like this, and then I'm gonna insert this card into my computer. Okay, so on the computer itself, we're gonna have to go to the Sony support website, and using this menu, we're gonna have to find the ZV-E10 M2 model. Now, as you can see on Sony support website, we have a lot of downloads in the download section, so that's where we want to go. And in the downloads menu, we're gonna have to select system software update, which is always the latest one. So let's download it, accept the agreement, click download, and after that we're gonna have to save this file, and then we're gonna have to drag and drop it to our SD card. And once we have this file on our SD card, we can safely eject the reader from the computer and return back to our Sony camera. So now what we want to do is grab our SD card and insert it back into our camera like this. No, mistake. Okay, so let's insert it until it clicks. Okay, and right now you're gonna have to press menu. We're gonna have to scroll left to the sidebar, scroll down to the setup screen, and here go to the following page, go to setup option, then scroll down to version, body, select software update, and yeah, the as it says, the update file version is incorrect because the version I have installed on my camera is the same one. Therefore, I will not be able to update software on this camera. But generally, from now on, the update should start. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.